Hello viewers, this is Immerse Electrical Engineering. Today I'm here to educate my viewers on how to wire one gang switch controlling two lamps. And then I want to advise you small. Whenever you are going to do electrical work, you should make sure you are in your safety before you temper to do the electrical work or electrical engineering work. So let's start with our diagrams. So as you can see, this is my trunking work that I've done here, and then I'm here to show you how to do the wiring. So first of all, we need our 1.5 cable, 1.5 insulation cable, and then we need our lamp holder, 2 lamp holders, and then 2 bulbs, and then we need our 2 switches, which is 1 gang switch, and then 1 gang switch 2, and then we need our breaker. Okay, so I'm here to teach you how to do the wiring. So please stay tuned and watch to the end, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, like, and then share. So first, I'm starting with my wiring. So first we need our neutral cable, which is 1.5 insulation cable. And then this is my 1.5 insulation cable. So we need to pass it through our circular box to our where we'll be connecting our breaker. This is the place that we'll be connecting our breaker, and then as you can see, we will loop. So we've looped one neutral here, and then we are looping the other side too. Yeah, so this is the end of the neutral. This is how you should get your neutral. And then the second is power supply. We are taking our power supply. So first, we need to take our power supply. So the power supply will be passing through the circular box. So from the circular box to where we'll be connecting our breaker. This is where we'll be connecting our breaker. And then we bring it to where we are connecting our 3x3 switches. So this is the place that we should bring our power supply cable. So here is the place we should bring our power supply cable. So as you can see, this is power supply cable, and then we need to bring our switch cable. So first, as for the switch cable, we need to loop. So from this place, we are looping from this place. Yeah, so we've looped from this place, and then we are bringing it to the circular box here. So the wiring is just simple wiring. This is for beginners. You can just learn it. It's not a hard wiring. So this is 1 gang switch 2. So this is our switch cable, and then this is our power supply cable, and then we need our stripers. So as you can see, we need 2 stripers. This is my striper and my stripe wires. So what we need to do is to connect from our 3x3 buttress box to the second 3x3 buttress box. So as you can see, you'll be getting 3 cables, 1, 2, 3 here, and then 1, 2, 3 here too. So as you can see, this is how the wiring goes. So this is the simple wiring that I have teach you, so you can do it. This is our power supply, this is our switch cable, and then this is our power supply cable. So if you like, you can bring the power supply cable here and then bring the switch cable here. It's the same thing. Okay, so this is a simple wiring for you. So this wiring is for beginners. If you want to learn the wiring, I'm here to teach you how to do the wiring. So as you can see, I'm done with the wiring, and then I'm about to fix my lamp holders and then my switches. So please stay tuned and watch to the end. Thank you very much. I'm here to connect my switch and then my lamp holders. So I'm here to teach you the easiest way to connect your switches and then your lamp holders. So first of all, we have a switch wire here, and then we have a neutral wire here. So this is our switch wire and the neutral wire. So what we need to do now is to connect our lamp holder first. So as for the lamp holder, when you open your lamp holder, you need to connect your neutral first, or if you like, you can connect your switch cable first. It's the same thing, okay? So make sure that the cable is cool. So this is how it goes. So make sure you are using your safety gloves and then your safety boots, okay, whenever you are doing wiring. Then we are connecting your switch cable. The same thing applies to the second lamp holder. So I'm connecting my switch wire first. So this is how it is. So I'm connecting my neutral. So you make sure that the mouth will not come out. Else, if it come out and then it can't to have contact, it can cause fire outbreak. Okay. So you make sure that it will enter inside wall, so that it can't cause fire outbreak or it can't spark. Okay. So the cable is too long, the mouth is too long, so I need to cut more so that it can cause fire outbreak. You see. So this is how it should be. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, you can't see. So now I'm done with the lamp holder. So I'm here to connect my switches. So what we need now is, as for the switch, we have L and then we have L1 and then L2 here. So the L is going, this is our L, so it's going to our power supply. So the L will be terminating our power supply. The L is going to the power supply, or the power supply is going to L. Okay, the power supply is going to L. And then L1, we are connecting L1. and then we are connecting L2. And then the same thing applies to the second switch. So the second switch, L, we have our switch here, we have L, and then L1, and then L2. So the L is going to, this is our switch cable. So the switch cable is going to L. And then it's like we can't see the L1 and then L2. So we need our clamp meter. We'll be using the clamp meter to check our L1 and then L2. Or if you have multimeter, you can use it to check L1 or L2. So we've placed our symbol to continuity test. So we've tuned it to continuity test. So as you can see, you can hear the sound. It's continuity test. So we are looking for L1. This is our L1. As you can hear the sound, this is our L1, and then this is our L2. You can't hear the sound, but it is on L1, so you can hear the sound L1. So I can indicate my L1, and then the L1 is going to L1 in the second switch. Is going to L1 in the second switch. The first switch is L1, and then the second switch too is L1. It's the same thing. And then the second switch is L2, and the first switch too is L2. So as you can see, we've connected our switches, and then we are done with the connections. And then I'm here to teach you how you can, we are about to test our connections, and then we'll check whether the connection that we did, everything was intact. So please make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, UMS Electrical Engineering. You like and then you comment, okay?